Hello everybody, it's me again, Song Filipina. So today's video, I have some of my collection here over the years. So today, I'm going to try on some of my shoes. First is we have to start with the stiletto. Some of my sandal shoes is in my other room. So for now, I'm going to show you how it looks like in my feet. And all of these shoes is I'm going to wear it for my driving video. So I think some of these shoes you see it already in my driving video. And to this video I'm going to try on some of my collections today. And first, this is all it is, guys. And some of my shoes is there. So I have my treadmill here, so I'm gonna show you that later. But first is we're gonna try on the Stiletto Heels. So I have some of my collections here, and then let's try this on. Hello, so today, here we are again. So today, we're gonna try some of my heels. So I have pink, and this one, red, blue, and this one with gold heels. for now, that's all. And then hello again. So that's all for now, and then I'm going to show you some of my shoes here after this one. And see you again next vlog. If you want to join my membership, then you can also join to my. So that's all for now. If you want to join for my membership, you can join at level 3. It's my older driving videos. It's a lot of videos there. And if you want to watch a new videos, you can check out my Patreon account. Love you all. Bye. Love you all. See you next vlog. That's all for now. If you want to join my membership for driving videos, you can click the join button level 3 for older driving videos. And then for new videos, new driving videos, and some other videos that is private, you can also visit my Patreon account. So the description link is in the description down below. Bye everyone, and see you next vlog. Love you all.